Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today's topic is going to be on seasonality check. How you can check a seasonality of a product. And for example, guys, I've opened two products for you. One is safety cabinet lock and another one is Christmas tree. This is the website camel.com, and to save your guys time, I've already opened this product page of two of the products. One is safety cabinet lock and another one is Christmas tree. So to check the seasonality of the product, you have to scroll down to see this graph and see the price of the product. As for safety cabinet lock, the price is consistent. This may be around 2017 to 2020 time lapse, and the price is consistent and is going up and up. As you can see here, there is a consistent sale over the month, but whereas for Christmas tree, as you can see, off season the price is at $80, and at the peak season the price goes up to $200. This may be a perfect example for what a seasonal product looks like. The price and demands go up on this peak season from November to December for Christmas trees. So this graph may show you the example of what a seasonal product looks like and what a year-round product looks like. And guys, another method you can check the seasonality of product is from Google Trends. You can go to googletrends.com and type on the desired keyword of your product, and you can see, as I have a 5-year time lapse, and as you can see, for this is for safety cabinet lock. There's a consistent search volume over the month, and as for Christmas tree, you can see, as you can see, it's a 5-year time lapse. You can see the demands only go up at November to December, and November to December, and so on. So hope you guys got example how you can check the seasonality of a product from camel.com and from Google Trends.